How to tie a double globe knot. Hello everyone, welcome back to the Alpha 1982, your YouTube Paracord community. Today we're gonna learn how to create this awesome Paracord keychain with a double globe knot. So stay tuned cause tutorial is right around the corner. And before it, if you like this video, on the end leave a like, share this video with your friends and the family. And if you're not subscribed, consider subscribing and hit that bell button so you'll be notified when I repost a new content. Let's start. Enjoy. So for today's project we're gonna need a ball and two strands of a paracord. I will use the sky blue and light gray or silver. We're gonna take it by the ends and find the center. And from here we're gonna pull this end a bit so we can wrap this side around our fingers. I think this will be enough. And now we're gonna start. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Recheck the length of ends. We're gonna rearrange a bit. Now I'm gonna zoom a bit so you can clearly see, and we're gonna start. We're gonna start with this end. So we're gonna take it and make it on top of those two cords, the first two cords under the second two. On top of next two and under the last two. Now we're gonna take this end and we're gonna make it under the first two, on top of the next two, and now from here we're gonna make it between those two fingers and to the back or the other side. So from here we're gonna do the same what we did with this end. We're gonna on top, under, on top, under. Now we're gonna take this end and we're gonna make it again under, on top, under, on top. And from here we'll make it on top of these two cords, and we're gonna go under the first two, on top of the second two, and so on. So under, on top, under, and on top. Now from here we're gonna take this end and make it on top of this one, and we're gonna go under this one here. So from here we're gonna go on top of the first two, under, on top, under. So from here we're gonna make it on top, and then on top of this one, under this first one or first two cords, on top of the next two, under the second two, and on top of the last two. Now we're gonna tighten it up a bit and insert the ball in the middle. So from here, when we finish with the tightening our globe nut, we'll secure those four cords, and basically from here you can create any weave or knot you want. You can make a basic cobra Solomon knot, the snake knot, the crown knot, etc, etc. I'll do simply crown knot for locking these four cords, so the sky blue on top of the this silver or gray paracord, and this gray paracord around of this sky blue, and then on top of the other silver or a light gray, and then around and on top of the sky blue, and with this end of a sky blue around on top of this gray and through the loop here. Now we're gonna pull all four cords to create the knot. And here we are. Our today's project is finished. I hope that you like it. If you do, don't forget to leave a like, share this video with your friends and the family. And if you're not subscribed, consider subscribing and hit the bell button so you'll be notified whenever we post a new content. Until then, stay safe, be well, wishing you just best. Dale signing out. See ya. Bye.